Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zapier workflows after a failed app integration. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. Navigate to the Zaps section in the left-hand menu. Identify the workflow that encountered the failed app integration. Click on the specific Zap to open its settings. Review the Zap's history to locate the error. Take note of any error messages or failed steps. Go back to the Zaps editor to troubleshoot the issue. Check the trigger app settings to ensure proper configuration. Inspect the action app settings as well. Make sure that the credentials for both apps are still valid and connected. If needed, reconnect the apps to refresh the integration. Test the Zap to see if the issue persists after reconnecting. After resolving any errors, activate the Zap again. Monitor the Zap's performance for any further issues. Consider adding filters or delays if the workflow is still not functioning optimally. Document any changes made for future reference. If problems continue, review Zapier's support documentation for additional guidance. Contact Zapier support if the issue remains unresolved after troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.